Hey everyone, today we're testing one of the most powerful but still portable strobes for photographers and creators, the Godox AD300Pro II. If you want studio lighting, but anywhere you go, this might be the perfect tool for you. Godox always gives a clean and professional package. Nothing fancy, but everything you need to start shooting immediately. What I love about the AD300 Pro II is the size. It's small, compact, and super travel friendly. Lightweight for 300 watt strobe, solid build quality, minimal but professional design, easy to read display, and quick control dial. This is a perfect for creators who shoot outdoors, weddings, prenups, and travel portraits. Now, let's talk about the real reason to buy this power. First, you have 300 watts output, high-speed sync support, fast recycle time, consistent color temperature, strong enough for daily shooting. You can overpower the sun, shoot wide aperture, and get clean lighting. For the battery life performance is very important for location shooters. Long battery life for charge, reliable for whole photo shoots, no need for AC power, perfect for outdoor session. For travel photographers, this is gold. Who is this for? If you are portrait photographer, wedding shooter, food photographer, content creator, travel photographer, this light makes your work look premium. Is the Godox AD300Pro II worth in 2026? If you want a balance of power, portability, and reliability, then yes. It's like carrying a mini studio in your bag. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment below if you want more lighting tutorials. See you in the next one. Keep shooting and stay creative.